Welcome back. So once you have downloaded Claude Desktop, mostly after signing up, you will be on the free account. So if we talk about the pricing or how you will be able to access Claude Cowork is not available in the free plan. Let's go to the pricing and then we will understand about the Claude Cowork and what's available in free plan and what's available in the pro plan. So if I go to the pricing, you do have Claude available as a free plan, but then Cowork is not part of that. So here's the pricing for the individual, and for team and enterprise you have different pricing, and for API accordingly you have different pricing for these Anthropic's model. For example, Opus, Sonnet, Haiku. These are the models behind the overall tools that you see by Anthropic. So if we go to the individual plan, that's what we are going to use. You will see in free account, you will see that it is basically free for everyone. You can basically use it as a chat on web, iOS, Android, etc. So basically like we use ChatGPT or we use Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, same way Claude is available as a free version, in a free version when we can use it as an AI assistant to generate code, visualize data, write, edit text, content. So a lot of core features are available in the free account itself. But if we talk about Claude Cowork, which is basically what we are learning now, Cowork is only available in the pro account. So you'll see the pro account contains Claude Cowork. So everything in the free plan plus Claude Code and Claude Cowork is available in pro account only. As we are learning Claude Cowork, so we will go ahead and sign up for the pro account and then enable Cowork in Claude Desktop. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll simply go ahead and sign up for the pro account and we'll get started from there. So what we can do here is in the Claude Desktop itself, you have the option to select the upgrade. Okay, so either in the left hand bottom you'll see that you can upgrade the plan, or at the top upgrade. So I'll click on upgrade. It will take you to the same window. We have the individual plans and team and enterprise here. So we'll go with the individual and make sure that if you're going month by month, it is 20 plus I think some taxes. If you're going yearly, it's 17 per month, which is billed annually. We simply need for approximately a month to learn everything. So I'll go with the monthly plan and get the pro plan. I believe there was some free trial of 30 days as well, but I think they have stopped now. So I'll simply go the monthly plan and there is a tax of 360. So total 2360 is what you have to pay if you're going individually. But if you have the plan in your organization, go ahead, use that. Okay, so let me finish the subscription and then we'll get back. So once you will have the pro account, you will see that I have the Cowork and code available at the top. Cowork is disabled. If you just hover over, you will see that virtual machine platform not available. Now this is interface. This might change in future versions, but then overall the concept remains same, that you simply have to basically enable Cowork. So we'll simply go to Cowork and enable the virtual machine platform. We'll enable that and then we have to restart Claude Code or Claude Desktop. Basically we'll exit and let's launch Claude Desktop again. Now we have to restart the computer, so I'll go ahead and say restart now. So once you restart your computer and relaunch Claude Desktop, you will see the Cowork is now enabled, and from here we'll start learning about Cowork and how you can use Cowork in your IT projects in any domain you are working to be more productive in your organization. Thank you. See you in the next one.